Welcome back to Swiss Watch Expo. Jason here. Today we're going over the big three of watchmaking, which they call the holy trinity of watchmaking. And so we get a lot of questions all the time. Who are the top three big brands? And it's really defined as the most exceptional craftsmanship, something that has a lot of really high-end complications in their watches, and just a huge history of horology just in general. So that's what they call the holy trinity of watchmaking. So that's going to include Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet, and Vacheron Constantin. And so Patek Philippe was founded back in 1839. They were known for the high-end complications on their watches, setting the standard for luxury sports watches with their Nautilus collection and their Aquanauts. And then Audemars Piguet was founded back in 1875, and they're known for their expertise in just handcrafted components and finishings on their movements itself. So really refined movements on their watches. And then you have Vacheron Constantin that was actually founded back in 1755, probably one of the oldest watchmaking companies out there. And they were one of the first companies to actually create various complications on a watch. So there's a lot of horology behind all three of those brands, but I'm wondering what the next three holy trinity of watchmaking will be in the future. And so today we're going to be looking at some of their top models in each of their categories here. So the first one we're looking at is the Patek Philippe Nautilus. And so this one's in all 18 karat white gold. This is the 5713 reference, specifically the 1G-010 model. And it's a 40 millimeter case size with this beautiful diamond bezel that's factory from Patek Philippe. It's not aftermarket or custom. And everything from the case to the bracelet is going to be all 18 karat white gold and holds a nice 45-hour power reserve with an automatic movement. And I love that it has that exhibition case back on there. And look how thin that casing is itself. So to have this 40 millimeter case size with an automatic movement, to have such a thin profile on this watch itself, I can definitely understand why Patek Philippe is known to be one of the holy trinity of watchmaking. The next one that we have here is going to be the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. These have grown so much in popularity lately. We've just seen so many celebrities and athletes really sporting this watch. And really what makes it stand out is that Royal Oak bracelet on there. When you have it on the wrist, it just shimmers so nicely on there. And this reference that we're looking at today is going to be the 26320 ST reference. And so this is an all stainless steel case and bracelet on this model here. It's a 40 millimeter case size with a chronograph function on here. And it's just got such a beautiful finishing on the watch itself with these screws on the top on the bezel there, giving it a nice industrial looking watch. And this is something that you can really sport on a daily basis, whether you're wearing this with t-shirt and jeans or wearing it with a nice suit and tie on. This is going to pair very nicely, especially with that design. That waffle pattern on the dial itself just really stands out. And again, for a chronograph watch and a 41 millimeter case size, still a very thin profile. So again, just a lot of really expert watchmaking and craftsmanship that goes into the Royal Oak Chronograph here. And last but not least, we're looking at the Vacheron Constantin Overseas, and this is the reference 4500V. This is going to sport a 41 millimeter case size, stainless steel with an automatic movement, holds about a 60-hour power reserve. You have this Maltese cross-inspired bezel on the top right there that really matches their logo, which is really nice. But one of the things I absolutely love about the Overseas models is that it has this really gorgeous blue dial on there. I always call it like a sapphire blue color, and they probably do some of the best blue color dials in the industry just because of the way that it looks. And as you're wearing this on the wrist, you really have to see it in person to really appreciate and understand the beauty of that blue dial, because when the sunlight hits it really nicely, you're gonna get this nice rays of blue going around the sides of the dial itself, and just a really fantastic look. It even has a little quick switch function on the bracelet itself. So typically these do come with a leather strap and rubber strap options. So if you ever want to get those straps, they do have those available at Vacheron, but they're so easy to swap in and out. So if you're ever looking to get something that's very interchangeable, customizable, this is a really great option to add to your collection here. And I feel like Vacheron Constantin is a little bit slept on to be one of the oldest watchmaking companies out there, that they don't get a lot of praise, but I have seen them grow a little bit more in popularity lately. So I definitely understand why Vacheron Constantin has been one of the holy trinity of watchmaking. But since these are the top three right now in the watch industry, what do you guys think is going to be next? I'm thinking maybe a Long & Sonné or maybe even Jaeger-LeCoultre might be on the next list there. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. We do have these available here at SwissWatchExpo.com.